Hi guys, welcome back to Perfect TV SA, and once again siniphathele i-recap yothando nesithembu, and this time around sidecide ukuthi siniphathele ngomhla 15 nangomhla 16 sihlanganise guys, so that singeke siniphe amancozu since singasakwazi ukufaka ama-clip because YouTube usenzela ama-ad. So sizonipha-ke nje a quick recap of both of them, and guys siyaxolisa kakhulu ukuthi ama-clip asikwazi ukuwafaka ngendlela, but if ufuna the full clips, the full episode, ungahamba uye ku-Facebook page lase Perfect TV SA, kodwa-ke lona libizwa ngokuthi
Perfect Mxolisi TV SA. Uperfect ube no S, but ngizoyinani qathi nayibona la ezansi iyona le mawufika nje ubhale kanje on Facebook onke ama clip akhona.
Yes, and then mangabuduka ilogo iyafana nale ela ku YouTube. So okwenzakele ke i-retreat phela siphelile.
Yes,
At least siphelile i-retreat, kodwa engingakusho uManto is livid, ukwatile uManto, and kangiqaka mina ukukwata kakho ukuthi njengoba lapha ku retreat bekade kukhulunywa indaba engathathanga ithuba lokuthi njengoba nabanye they were voicing their concerns nama emotions abo, yena wakhetha ukuthi athule elokhetho uyazela and all that, but after i-retreat usebhodlela umseleko. Uyabasaba abantu abanye abafazi.
it was their time to shine. Yena ubazi uzoshine up kwi-bedroom.
Uzoshayinela kumseleko kuphela.
Uyamazi umuntu afika ngaye lapha.
But I understand the point ye-therapy nokubuyisana ukuthi phela the root has to be found, and ukutholakala kwe-root uma ukuthi abantu bonke baya participate kwi-conversation nomunye avoice ama-concerns akhe, khona kuzobonakala vele ukuthi common denominator la umseleko.
What if yayazi indoda yakhe?
Yeah, uyayazi
kulaba voice out-ke wayibona isolution tenze.
Solution ayikabi bikho. The point was to first identify the problem. Bona ngokokwaphi problem sebe-identifyile, kodwa kwamacele guys ukwatile, and she is spilling family secrets in the process of ukwata kwakhe. So kwi-episode yangomhla ka-15 ke kade khuluma nomseleko emtshela nje ukuthi uyexoxo uyaqhuma. So she felt like ku-retreat ubefeel as if she's being undermined basically makhuluma laba abanye abafazi, because she feels like her name was being slandered if akodakeni nje naye ubenga understand ukuthi kanjani, which is why ngisho ukuthi yindaba engakhulumanga ku-retreat ezinye impendulo bezoyithola directly from the horse's mouth kunokuthi rely ku-information ephuma kumseleko, but because sekubonakala ukuthi umseleko unamanga and uyabaqhatha abafazi bakhe
Bakhona. But I think umacele mina ngaphandle wife umphendula umbuzo wakwayivo sa out ekameleni yena engakhulumanga ku-retreat. It's because naye she's fed up ngumseleko.
Yeah.
Okumseleko umkhatha kakhulu namakhosikazi amaye. Ngezinye zezinto.
Yes, but phela kodwa
nendoda yakhe bo2.
but kodwa ke phela the point of a retreat bekungasikho ukukhuluma kuphela ngithi ukuthola isisombululo. Makuzoba khona umuntu oyedwa ozothula, isisombululo sotholaka kanjani? Yena yindaba special to the exception, because if everyone is frustrated, now we voice out your frustrations, kuzoqhutshekwa and life will go on. How will life go on manje?
Uyibize ngemamba, imamba ayishaya njalo. Ishaya ngaso sikhathi.
Nah, she's delusional.
UNdlunkulu.
Come on, bro.
Many respect I deserve.
Come on, we cannot always pull that card, phela. At some point, she has to realize ukuthi yebo uyena uNdlunkulu, but angeke aze ayenza onke ama-functions akamseleko eyedwa. Uyabadingana laba abanye. They are there for a reason. Bayi ecosystem laba abantu. Makuzophuma ke le mambe eyodwa eceleni yona ithi eceleni ecosystem phela it's gonna crumble, angeke izifunction ngendlela. And naye maye yedwa imamba ke sekhonini ke eyedwa kanjalo, then it's also gonna be a problem in the long run for her.
Yeah, ikhona la inkinga khona because amanye ama question like ubuza umbuza amakhumalo ayibuza kwi-retreat
Yeah,
usezoyibuza umseleki
exactly.
but she failed
To
ukuyibuza
ask uMakhe.
uMakhe.
Ingakho ngibuza ukuthi uyabasaba yini kanti labo abanye abafazi uyamsaba noma Khumalo because kunento esho uMakhumalo kwi-retreats ukuthi uMacele wathi emgabisela wena walethwa kaMseleki ukuthi uzozala ingane yabo uma ungasazali kuzokwenzakalani yabo and uMakhumalo usho lokho retreat ukuthi leso statement/rhetorical question kwamphatha kabi kodwa ke kunokuthi ke uMacele ayikhulume naye on the spot lapha ku retreat ukhetha ukuzoyikhuluma manje kumseleki ukuthi and I didn't understand why uMakhumalo had to bring that up because we spoke about that during a time la khona waye confide kumina nami ngiconfide kuyena so yena now she's twisting it. If she feels like uMakhumalo is twisting it yindaba engamtshenanga khona ku retreat when she said it because uMakhumalo ukusho phambi kwawo wonke umuntu
kufana nale athi uMakhumalo bona bayekuswa ngumsebenzi
yes
ethi uMakhumalo wayesebenza apha efika la
exactly indaba engabuzanga futhi ubuze ngokukhulu ukucasuka indaba naye engabuzanga khona lapha ku retreat in the heat of everything because wonke umuntu vele umoya obuphakeme ukuthi hawo siyasebenza thina number 5 ngeke azasebenze yabo indaba engasho ukuthi hayibo wena wawusebenza apha kufika la
kanti yena uMakhumalo wayesebenza apho wayeshaya isigubhu nje seso.
Yeah, that's cool, but now she's established. Understand?
Yeah.
And ekubeni established kwakhe still phela umakoti kaMseleki and akakholeli lokho. Njengoba uMseleki insinuate ukuthi kuyakholela kuba wakaMseleki.
Umacela ufila ngathi usekhuluma kakhulu because she's established herself.
uMakhumalo.
Manje obumbona ese
yebo akakusho phambi kwakhe ke.
Yeah, inkingi lapho bethu uyahleba kahle.
Ngiyabona nje futhi uhleba nomuntu orong, uhleba nomseleki, ixoki lokugcina ngci. Ukuzibona futhi ukuthi uyixoki umseleki. uMacele was so angry up to a point whereby she started like spilling beans. Ethi kumseleki wena kanti the time uhlangana noMakhumalo wayengamithi yini kanti ingane yakhe nomuntu wakhe. Insinuating ukuthi umuntu wakhe at that time kwakungeyena umseleki. And uMakhumalo was pregnant. Into ayibakazile umseleki he didn't answer that question. Because uze washo naye ukuthi babakhe asingenzani kilima awusakhumbuli manje awusakhumbuli and then ngewasho ukuthi no ngiyakhumbula yeah so tell me yabo like lezo zinto lezo yindaba kungezona izinto azisho in front of Makhe's face
nokuthi uMakhe wayinengane before.
Yes, yindaba engabanga bold yena ku retreat ukuthi azisho phambi kwakhe lezo zinto imamba ngempela leyathi uyiyona uyokwenza ekamereni uyophilothoka ngayo.
No wayezela ngalela langa.
That's no excuse. Everyone was tired. Please.
Okay, olinganalo scene Mayeni omunye futhi oyicasuwele futhi.
Yeah, uMayeni is fed up and kodwa ukuba fed up kwaMayeni it's I don't know how to describe it because I can tell that she feels like she's just a baby mama kwaMseleki. She has tapped out of that marriage and essentially she's just there for the kids because bekhuluma nosisi wakhe ke ukuthi yena kube kuya ngaye ngabe kwaMseleki wagcina ukuba nengane ngompumelelo and uyayisola ukuthi indaba abuyela kumseleki after they broke up that brief time ezozashade noMacele kuqala. She regrets going back to that man and understandably so. Kade esho vele ukuthi umseleki akenze kahle.
Yeah, lokho ekhalile uthi nje nalapha since bemove endlini entsha nje khona izinto angazenze kahle. Nale imoto ukuthi singalimala kanjani imoto ezokuthi
Yes.
ngabusabana nomuntu naye kuphela uyasebenza naye.
Exactly.
Wrong nomseleki naye wrong uthi ngabuka imoto ezokuthi but umseleki futhi ngizomthethelela emotweni because mhlambe umsebenzi wanikwa yena ade mthengele umuzi.
Okay.
Sekufuna mfikisele imoto futhi.
Maybe she's taking care of other things in the house because she did say ukuthi wabafaka nje lapha endlini for the sake of ukuthi kungenwe endlini entsha So I think a lot of things were not taken care of, maybe like furniture and the minor renovations that had to be done and stuff.
Yeah,
So I
maybe.
think maybe ukulungiswa kwemonto naye akakayilungisi personally because she's busy attending to that. Hence why ethi umsele kakenze kahle. Because angeke avele amsukele njalo njalo.
Yeah, ngaba iqiniso nalokho cause uze washo izolo ukuthi khona statement ashilo. But ukuthi bazothi amanye futhi amakhosikazi. Wayicelela yena
Ukuthengelwa
umuzi.
Like yendaba yena yedwa kuzothiwa wayicelela whereby wonke umuntu wayethola indlu entsha. Like bakuthathe lapho ukuthi wayicelela, and she had receipts. Usifakile screenshots of a conversation yabo nomseleku besho umseleku ukuthi ena the house was approved and yeah, so angazi bakuthathe lapho ukuthi wayicelela or they were told by umseleku because that man can lie. Damn, he's a liar.
Anokuthi phela isithembu lesiya ihle kusana ihlomelene.
Yeah, true.
This yep thing izohlezi khona.
Yeah, yep ayibe khona but in a subtle manner. Hayi le obvious yenzeka kulomuzi wakamseleku.
Manje nawo abaxoxa.
Like akube nama
undertone nabo.
Because babeqeda ukumjoyela kabi.
Awu,
wakwenza kwacaca ukuthi mina you cannot come play in my face ungijoyele kabi phambi kobuso bami. Qede lapho uzobeka itende le phathe ngane yakho phambi komuzi wami. Egcekeni lakhe space sakhe phela lesiya. Rightfully so futhi.
Okay. Today's episode.
Yeah, today's episode, majority of the episode bekumakhumalo. So bekumakhumalo namhlanje naye kade ehleli nosesibakhe about eba brief ke nge retreat. Ushilo ngosesibakhe ukuthi ukhathele like and she's emotionally drained because yena ubecabanga ukuthi i-retreat will be like therapeutical and calm and vibes, but instead of that it was hellfire. So ushilo ke nje ukuthi yeah yena she doesn't think ukuthi izinto izolunga manje namanje, but she did get a sense of ukuthi yena nalabo abanye amakhosikazi awuthu umayeni nomangwabi they were being pitted against each other and bayazama ke bona ukubuyisana because after ama talks, after everything was said and everyone left, bona basala bakhuluma ke and they had that bond, you know, going on.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ishuthi iziqhubeke lesina lamhlanje ngenze mhlawumbe baplana that day.
Yeah, because namhlanje they went out. They went out as girls and they went out to ride bikes, you know, and it was all cute and vibes.
Bafika baxoxa and
bahleka kwamnandi and umayena ushilo ukuthi it's always a good time yena when she's out, especially phela ujwayele ukuhamba nezingane. So even this time around she was enjoying herself, which was a good thing to see.
Awugcinanga lapho uthi ukuhlezi kumnandi vele mabephuma as family kukhona nezingane.
Yeah.
Umuntu onayo umseleko usingayi. Uthi makanje nje vele showcase umnandi into ezoba khona.
But uzoyona
umcimbi.
Oh my goodness, this man.
Boza yakhe ebuyile namhlanje vele.
Oh yeah, guys, uSnero ovelile and ku episode yanamhlanje it's where la kade etshela khona ubaba wakhe ukuthi yes, she's pregnant ngenkane yes 4. And that man was bawling his eyes out like
yeah,
it was funny.
Abantu ku Facebook kuma comments.
Yeah.
But uSnero yahleka.
Angimbonanga kehleka mina ngimbone naye ephatheke gambi like ubesaba nokumtshela ubaba wakhe ukuthi you know what mbemtshazile because also uselokhu abuza sikade uprevent ngani
which is true.
I prevent ngani vele kodwa I think the time as a meet she did say that she was drunk babe odela bojeke laba bomabhiya babe waphuza kuingane zesithembu.
Futhi nje awume mfethu usuka la uya kwenye indawo ulala nomuntu afuna nje condom qala nibonana
She was drunk. I'm
No.
sure she didn't even consent.
not that ukuthi way out.
How do we know that? How do we know that? Because Yena herself, she wasn't aware of in the longest time ukuthi she's actually
Flabe
pregnant.
nogaya akafuni lutho ngengane nangu uthi ingane ayivuma.
Because he knows what he did. Usine uma ngikuthi wayedakiwe, then yeah, njengoba ngisho I'm not
Okay,
even sure
she was
ukuthi
drunk.
wa-consent.
Okay, ngakusasa akasathothi i-morning pill.
Okay, now that's an issue. That's sex education.
Sine.
Mhlambe yeah.
Because umseleko uyaqala ukukhala. Wengakhala kule season le. Hey, uhlelo kwi-retreat kuloko.
Kodwa ushilo wathi uyibaqa ukuthi amtshela ukuthi uyamthanda. Mekwamtshela ukuthi uyamthanda kusokukhulu okuzoza.
Because ezingane zodliwa yena.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he did say that he's worried ukuthi labantu laba bazodla ubani. And ushilo ukuthi usinela ayofunda khona ukuthi ukuletha umphefumulo emhlabeni it's a serious thing. Is the day la khona ayohlala nezingane zakhe azondlele and suffer on their own. Then she's going to know the value of ukuletha umuntu emhlabeni, not ngoba yena esazalele ekhaya as per ukusho kwamseleko.
Kodwa umthethisile usine. But umseleko ngoba umseleko. Useblame umacele.
Yes,
Ngazi umacele ungena kanjani. Uzuyasho usine.
Yes, ukuthi no umaka ngene endawo yena ungenza pregnancy test kuphela ngamcela ukuthi engakutsheli before mina ngikutshele and bengifuna ukukutshela sengiready, which is why I'm doing it now. But ngicela ungamblame uma akazi lutho waseyasho ukuthi yena wayemithela beyoshuthe egoli.
Shuthi mayibuya futhi ingane zesithembu uyomitha futhi.
Come on, ushilo nje usine ukuthi yena ngokungayi useqedile ukuba nezingane ukube unawo nama means ngabe uyacela kodokotela ukuthi after she gives birth bemthaye ama tubes akhe.
Unawo unama means ngakwenza lokho.
Yeah, but
Akwenza ngoba uyahluleka ukufaka
phela futhi it's a personal choice mayise lapha esibedlela.
Ukuye phela uyondlela ingane nayo inkingi.
Hey. Negusne hands off usne, she will make the right choice. Ngiyamthemba she will make the right choice.
Utete la muntu.
Okay, and umuntu ufunda zafi.
Ufunda ngengane.
Ufunda zafi.
Yena nje ufunda ngengane.
Lokho kubalekile uzofunda.
Phela usine manje so kweqa isizini eyodwa. Makubuye nesizini season season 10 next year. Uzobe ngapreg vele ukhulisa le. Season 11.
Awukahle uzobe uyabo lapho uzobe faka implant uzogcola ingalo implant.
Uzuyambuza umseleko wena walotshola wena lokho wezolotshola ilo muntu ezokulobola
no
umuntu ojeke. Snake mate.
Yeah, guys, but that's pretty much everything. And if you guys really want to see everything in detail, because Tina's in please go to the Facebook page and nibuge the complete videos. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Yes. So uzobuka ama clip lawo uzothola the whole thing khona. And thank you very much guys ukuthi niyaqhubeka niyabuya nizosibheka la siyaxolisa bakithi nathi kodwa YouTube sombamba. Sombusiphekwa amaqhinga nathi somthola kancane ngakhona.
Yeah, bafethu sobona next week asazi indlela ophele ngayo. Asazi noma labo editor bakhona ni akubhalwa ngisho coming up so but kodwa season siyemaphethelweni yona mayingaphelile next week mayikhona siyabuya futhi.
Yes, siyabonga kakhulu guys ukuthi nibe kanye nathi nibe nosuku oluhle.